everyone, and how is it going? I hope your day is treating you right and the markets are moving in your favor. Chris here, Turn to Trade, bringing you 4 areas of my very own that hopefully will give you a new way to think about the market. These are areas coming at you off of the ES and the 4-hour charts. Let's take a look and start off by going 3 lines down to find an area of support that the market's currently pushing up off of at the time of this video at 44.50. 44.50 is an area in the market that we've held as support and resistance a number of times very recently in the past. Definitely going to keep my eyes on this because it currently is the support to lose. If it's lost, my eyes drop down to 44.15. It's a lower area of support that definitely has the possibility of becoming something. Now above it, or above where we're trading at 4,500, big round psychological number. It's an area we talked about in the past. Very pivotal point in the market. Can keep my eyes on it for that reason alone. And then beyond it even further, we have 45.50 marked off. It's a higher area of resistance. We're going to need to break that if we actually want to challenge higher highs from the past. Good luck. Happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.